how to make a Google form to help you collect information needed for your research project. Head to Google Drive. You can get to Google Forms this way or the 9-dot menu option. Once you're in Google Forms, you are going to click on a plus to get started. We're going to do a blank form, and we're going to put the title at the top. Activities in your region. If you click at the top of your form, the title will go there as well. You can add a form description if you'd like. My first question is going to be name. I want to know who is participating in my survey, and I am going to require that. Then I'm coming to the right here and I'm adding a question. My first question is traditional sports. I'm wondering what my friends are involved in. Is it football, basketball, soccer, or field hockey? I'm also going to add another category, the other, in case they're involved in something I haven't thought of. And I'm going to require this as well. For my next question, I'm going to ask about non-traditional sports, such as biking, rock climbing, lacrosse, and pickleball. I'm going to add the other category here as well, and I'm going to require this question. I am going to add another question here about, tell me about your favorite activity. And that's going to generate the paragraph format, but if I wanted to change that, I could change it right here to short answer. And I'm going to require that as well. In the interest of time, I'm not going to add any more questions, but you may want to consider adding an arts category with dance, chorus, art classes, instruments, or academics like robotics, school newspaper, yearbook, or quiz bowl. Once you have your questions, you can head to the Customize theme. You can change the font. You can also change the color of your survey, and you can choose an image. I am going to look in the sports and games section and find something that might work for my survey. And once I insert that, I'm going to look at my survey and see if it looks the way I want it to look. I think it does, so I am going to get ready to send it. Once I'm in the send area, I have a couple of different ways I can send it. I can send it via email, or I could generate a link. You can choose. If you're going to generate a link because maybe your school has a Facebook page or a blog, you would click here, click on your link, and copy it and paste it wherever you'd like. This other area is responses. Once the survey has been generated and your friends have responded, you can look right here to see what they've responded. And you can also generate a spreadsheet. When you hit create right here, you are going to be able to see all their responses, and you may even have a chance to sort them and create a graph or a chart here. So this is a great area to know about. The final thing that I want to mention is that in settings, you may want to go to responses once you've generated your survey. And you may want to make sure that you've limited to one response. So you don't want people to respond twice to your survey. That is where to find that. So now we have the questions. We know where to look for the responses. We know how to look in settings. And we are ready to go with our Google form so that we can generate some needed information to get started with our research project.